Everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to compare these two numbers and we can find the which number is larger than the other number. So the very first thing we are going to do is first we find the GCD of its exponents. Okay, we see that the exponent here, the exponent is 44 and here is the exponent is 55. So the GCD of 44 and 55 is 11. GCD means that it is the greatest common divisor. First we find the greatest common divisor which divide both of the numbers, so which is 11, and after that we take 11th root on both of the numbers and we can write it as 54 to the power of 44 and the whole power 1 over 11 versus 44 to the power of 55 and whole power 1 over 11. And here we can see that 11 fours are 44 and here we will find 11 fives are 55. So here we get 55 to the power of 4 versus 44 to the power of 5. After that we can write 55 as 11 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 versus 11 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5. And after this step we can break the exponent and we will write exponent on separate terms. So we will write it as 11 to the power of 4 multiplied by 5 to the power of 4 versus 11 to the power of 5 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5. And now we can divide 11 to the power of 4 on both of the numbers and we can see that these terms are gone and here we can get 5 to the power of 4 versus here we can write this 4 number when we take it into the upside, so we can write it in this form: 5 minus 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5. And here we can see that 5 to the power of 4, and here we will find 5 to the power of 4 as 625, and we find here 11 multiplied by 4 to the power of 5 will becomes 1024, and hence we clearly see that this number is greater than by this number. So we can see that say that this side is greater than this number. Thus our final conclusion is that 54 to the power of 44 is lesser than 44 to the power of 55, or we can say that 44 to the power of 55 is larger than 55 to the power of 44. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more exciting video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.